Hello everyone. Meet again with my channel Car, Interior and Exterior. In this video we will discuss about Car's 2022 Audi S8. The S8 embraces both comfort and performance thanks to a plethora of technological advancements. The Porsche-developed EA825 4.0-liter V8 is under the hood, and it's unaltered from last year, which isn't always a negative thing. Set the drive mode to dynamic, and the twin-turbocharged engine lets out a sinister growl through its active exhaust system. With 563 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque sent to all four wheels, the big four-door sprints to 60 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds on its way to an electronically limited top speed of 155 miles per hour. Rear wheel steering is also now standard for the S8. This system allows the rear wheels to turn up to 5 degrees in the opposite direction of the front wheels at up 37 miles per hour, a feature that reduces the S8's turning radius by 3.6 feet and nets a circle similar to the A4's. At higher speeds, the system can also turn the rear wheels in the same direction as the front wheels to improve stability and response, but when it comes to clever chassis tech, Audi is quick to note that the S8's predictive active suspension is the headline act. The 22-way adjustable heated, ventilated, and massaging front seats, Audi's Virtual Cockpit Plus programmable digital instrument cluster, and dual touchscreen MMI infotainment complement the S8's sporty capabilities. The system has two displays: a 10.1-inch upper monitor for navigation in the Bang & Olufsen music system, and an 8.6-inch lower display for HVAC operations. Audi's latest MIB3 software is also on board, providing greater voice integration with Hey, Audi, and Amazon Alexa support, in addition to Audi Connect's array of linked services. In a performance context, the S8 is generally at its best when driven like a muscle car. Lots of throttle followed by lots of braking, rinse, repeat. The big stoppers offer a soft initial bite that's best suited for everyday driving, but the response ramps up quickly as you dip further into the pedal travel. There's certainly some entertaining driving to be had here, but the S8 is really more about high-paced comfort than hunting down apexes, and options like massaging rear seats and fold-out wing tables reinforce that notion. Although this mid-cycle facelift lacks any truly standout features, it highlights the fact that there weren't a lot of major faults that needed to be addressed going in. This understated Autobahn bruiser occupies a specialized niche within the luxury segment that isn't really being contested here in the US, and the latest S8 isn't trying to make waves. And as with its predecessors, that's precisely the point.